See that light? I'm taking that out. There's already videos of this one, but I'm going to show you how to do this one. So, it's actually easy. Assuming you don't have a busted window. I had to pop the back door open. Let's leave that in there. We'll get it out later. So, it's actually really easy. So, with your handy dandy screwdriver like this, pop this cover off, as I did over on the other side. Now, I'm assuming yours is all intact. And with both hands, you want to catch that. But I'm pretty sure this car doesn't really matter what happens to it anymore. So, 2 8mm, which are right there, you pop them out, and I'm going to show you, because this one went flying and pummeled right into the ground. But it didn't break, so now I know how to do it, because this car is already totaled anyway. Here is the passenger side. Made in Korea? What? Front speakers are made in China. What the hell? Worldwide vehicle. Let's get them out. Alright, so we turn the bulbs. And we're pulling this guy off. We need to get this off, pretending that we're going to actually turn these little alligator. That's what you're getting off. Bites onto that. So let's get this out. I figured this was going to be just a... Alright, so to replace the bulb, it is this. Let's see what this is. That's what we have. 921. Now, if we had to replace the light, you turn this guy like I showed you. You have that little pin in there that you have to pull in and pull out. Can do it with one hand. I did with one hand. There you go. Now I'm sure you don't have a broken brace to put a magnet on here, a light on here, and I'm assuming you're doing it in broad daylight, so you don't even need all this. So I'm gonna put this back and show you how to do the bulb without replacing the whole thing. Okay, trick is, light is the hook. So you hook the light in, make sure the guides are in, and it'll pop right in. See that? 8mm back, plug this guy back, and we will say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.